Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your Baseus Bowie H1 keep disconnecting. Firstly, I recommend it to open Baseus app. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the application, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Tap on them and then go to the settings at the right bottom. Now, right here, click at the version and check if you have the last version or no. If you haven't, update. Next, I recommend it to perform a software set. So to perform a software set, you need to press and hold multifunctional button at the right ear cup. Press and hold it, we can check the LED light. If you have the red one, it means that we turn off it. Here we go. Now your earbuds disconnected, so then we need to turn on it and reconnect these headphones with the phone. So click at the multifunctional button again and check the white LED light. Here we go, we just turn on it. Now check your headphones, is it fix your problem? If it doesn't, I recommend it to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, we need to firstly unpair these headphones from your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones, and then forget this device and forget device. Now check, is the LED light near to the USB-C port blinking red and white? It means that we're in the pairing mode, because actually this one we need it. And we need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down buttons. So press and hold it until the LED light starts blinking only red. Here we go, we have it. Now you can release your fingers, and then if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have iOS, right here I see them, but if you cannot, just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and you will see them at the device list. Tap on them and we just reconnect them. Now, also we can reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on iOS device and then on Android. So on your iPhone, open settings, and then you need to go to the general settings. Scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer or reset iPhone. Tap at that line and go to reset. Right here we need to select reset network settings, because there is no option to reset Bluetooth, so we need to reset network settings. Then write your password, and once you reset it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So, if it's okay for you, click Reset Network Settings. Now let's move to Android device. And I will show you how to do this on stock Android. Maybe some Android phones have system what's similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also iOS part, because you will have the similar path. Now, on your Android, open settings, and you need to go to the system. Click on them, on this line, and you need to scroll down, and on my phone I have it at the bottom, reset options, click on them, and right here we have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click at that line, and then click reset. But once you did it, you will totally remove your all Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.